BMW Motorrad has unveiled its latest iteration of the iconic adventure bike, the 2025 R13 GS. Building upon the legacy of its predecessors, this new model boasts significant upgrades in engine, technology, and design, promising an even more exhilarating and capable riding experience.
A more powerful heart. At the core of the R1300 GS lies a newly developed 1E300cc boxer engine. This powerplant substantially increases power and torque, ensuring effortless acceleration and confident overtaking. The engine's refined character also promises smoother power delivery and enhanced fuel efficiency.
Advanced electronics. The 2025 R13 GS has cutting-edge technology to enhance safety and riding enjoyment. The bike features a comprehensive suite of electronic rider aids, including Dynamic Traction Control DTC, optimizes traction in various riding conditions. ABS Pro ensures optimal braking performance even when leaning. Dynamic Brake Control DBC prevents rear wheel liftoff during hard braking. Hill Start Control HSC prevents the bike from rolling backwards on inclines.
Refined ergonomics and design. The R1300 GS boasts a redesigned chassis with improved handling and stability. The bike's ergonomics have also been refined, providing a more comfortable and confident riding position. The new design language, characterized by sharper lines and a more muscular stance, reinforces the bike's adventurous spirit.
Enhanced connectivity. The 2025 R13 GS has a full-color TFT display that provides essential information and connects to your smartphone via BMW Motorrad Connected. This lets you access navigation, music, and calls directly from the bike's display.
The adventure awaits. With its powerful engine, advanced electronics, and refined design, the 2025 BMW R13 GS is ready for any adventure. Whether exploring remote trails or cruising down the highway, this bike offers the perfect combination of performance, comfort, and technology.
Key features: futuristic lighting, matrix LED headlights. BMW breaks the norm with a new, more symmetrical and modern design. The high and low beams are now combined into one sophisticated projector unit. Even the turn signals are now integrated into the handguards, creating a clean and functional look.
Stability on every track, Evo Paralever. This innovation makes your ride more stable and responsive. BMW Motorrad's latest generation, Evo Paralever, provides smooth and steady control on straight roads and sharp turns.
Versatile frame, endless options. Every component on the R13 GS is designed to deliver the ultimate riding experience. The main and rear frames are sturdy and offer almost limitless personalization options to tailor the bike to your style.
Maximum comfort, adjustable windshield. This lightweight, dynamic sports windshield provides a clear view of the road. The windshield position can be easily adjusted for optimal protection against wind and weather.
Compact and sporty rear design. The short, upward-sloping rear of the bike gives a sporty yet practical impression. A slim passenger seat comes as standard, equipped with a functional sports handle, making for a more comfortable and stylish ride.
Precision control, Evo Telelever. This front suspension system delivers incredible confidence. The new Evo Telelever ensures you feel complete clarity from the front wheel, providing a stable and exciting ride.
Distinctive boxer sound. The motorcycle's single-pipe exhaust system not only looks cool, but also produces a distinctive boxer sound. The tempting rhythm of the engine guarantees that every trip will feel more alive.
Dynamic look, GS Flyline. The GS Flyline's sleek design delivers a sporty and functional look from front to back. The float tank ensures comfort on short or long rides.